In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and reset Microsoft Teams on your computer. Whether you're experiencing glitches, it's running slower than usual, or you simply want to start fresh, resetting Microsoft Teams can often resolve these issues. I'll guide you through 3 different methods to effectively reset the app. So let's get started. First, we need to access the app settings directly through your computer's search function. Begin by going to your search bar, which is usually located on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Type in Microsoft Teams and wait for it to appear in the search results. Once you see Microsoft Teams, hover over it, right-click, and choose App Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will open a new window with various options related to Teams. In this window, scroll all the way down until you reach the option labeled Reset. Under this section, you'll see 2 choices: Repair and Reset. Start with Repair by clicking on it. What happens here is that Windows will attempt to repair the app by checking for any missing or corrupt files. It may take a few moments, so just be patient and let it do its work. After the repair process is complete, proceed by clicking on Reset. This act will reset the app data, providing a clean slate while keeping your settings intact. Now that you've completed the first method, let's move on to the next one. For the second method, we will delve into some deeper system files. Start again at your search bar. This time, search for Run and select it from the list. A small window will pop up asking for a command. Type in %appdata% and press enter. This command will take you to a folder that contains application data for various programs. Inside this folder, find the Microsoft folder and click on it. Now locate the Teams folder within and right-click on it. Select Delete to remove it. This action will delete cached data for Teams, which can sometimes help correct persistent issues. After that, go to App Data once more and select the local folder instead. Scroll down until you see Packages and open it. Look for MS Teams within this directory, right-click on it, and delete it as well. Performing these deletions clears out any residual files that might be causing trouble. Finally, let's discuss the last method: a complete uninstallation and reinstallation. Head over to your search bar and look for Settings. Click on the Settings app, then navigate to the Apps section. Click on Installed Apps, and in the search box provided, type Microsoft Teams. When you see it, click on the 3 dots next to the app name and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove it completely from your system. After uninstallation, visit the official Microsoft website to download and reinstall the latest version of Teams. This ensures that you have a fresh installation free from previous issues. And there you have it, 3 effective methods to reset Microsoft Teams. Follow these steps to help ensure a smoother experience with the app.